Welcome to Employees Group Insurance New Employee Benefits Orientation. This section covers short and long-term disability insurance. The purpose of this video is to provide you with the necessary information to enroll in insurance benefits as a new employee. Please see your plan booklet for further information regarding benefits. You may also call Employees Group Insurance with any questions. Disability insurance is designed to pay a benefit to you in the event that you cannot work because of a covered illness or injury. This benefit replaces a portion of your income, thus helping you to meet your financial commitments in a time of need. Here are some disability statistics which you might consider if you are on the fence about taking the coverage. Each year, more than 1 in 10 U.S. adults suffers a long-term disability. A disabling injury occurs every 1.3 seconds on and off the job. Just over 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will become disabled before reaching age 67. People often wonder whether they should get disability insurance because of the following reasonable questions. 1. Won't workers' compensation pay me? Workers' compensation is only available for job-related sickness or injury, and nearly 2/3 of disabling injuries to workers each year occur off the job. 2. Can't I get Social Security disability payments? The disability definitions are very strict, and many are denied the first time they apply. The process can take years. 3. Aren't there pension plan disability payments? These are usually based on total and permanent disability. These also integrate with Social Security or workers' compensation, which can reduce your pension amount. First, let's talk about short-term disability. Short-term disability will replace up to 66 2/3% of the first $2,250 of your gross weekly income. In other words, the maximum benefit it'll pay out is $1,500 per week. Once you file a claim, there is a 14 calendar day waiting period before payment starts. Short-term disability will pay out for up to 24 weeks or 6 months. At that time, if you are still out disabled and have elected long-term disability, that would take over. Long-term disability replaces up to 60% of the first $10,833 of your gross monthly earnings. The maximum benefit it will pay out is $6,500 monthly. The waiting period is 180 days, so it begins paying after 6 months. Long-term disability can pay out until the age of 65. If the disability occurs at age 62 or after, please see your plan booklet for the duration of the benefit. There is a pre-existing limitation that applies only to the long-term disability for all members during the first year of coverage. Basically, if you go on a disability due to a condition that you were treated for in the 3 months before coverage began, it will not be covered as a disability ever. After 12 months of coverage, as long as you didn't have a claim for the pre-existing condition, then the pre-existing limitation will no longer apply. As always, for further information on disability coverage, please see the booklet. If you don't sign up for short-term disability within the initial sign-up period, it can still be taken at any time, but with a penalty if used in the first year of carrying coverage. Rather than a 14-day waiting period for payment, the waiting period is 60 days. After the first year, it will revert back to 14 days. However, if you don't sign up for long-term disability in the initial sign-up period, it can't be taken later without going through the underwriting process where the company will approve or deny coverage. This has been information to help you decide which options you might want to enroll in. See your plan booklet for further information. New employees, be sure to submit your insurance applications to your benefits specialist within 31 days from the date your coverage is to start.